Hi everyone, this is just a quick tip video. So what I'm going to do is show you how to sort out a doll that's had her head squished. If you look carefully at this doll, if I don't knock the camera, you'll see her head goes round like this and then it goes up at a diagonal there. It's been squished underneath. So first of all I'm going to remove her earrings. This doll's got to be washed anyway, but I'm going to repair the head first. So sorry, I forgot the camera's there, I've poked it. Push the head down on the doll's neck and just give it a few seconds. And then you should be able to pop the head off. So I can put the body to one side. Now, I'm just going to tie her hair up out of the way. I'm not doing her hair yet. I'm fixing the face first. Okay, so I don't know if you can tell, but like, can you see how the neck hole looks really weird? And if you look at her head, can you see how it's rounded here and squished in there? She's probably been squished in a box or something, and it's like her neck hole should be in the middle, and it's like everything's smushed to the side. I'm hoping it shows on camera just how deformed she is. So I'm going to show you what to do. Okay, so I've got some hot water here, boiling hot water, fresh out the kettle. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to dip this doll's head in until her vinyl goes nice and squishy. So she's got the squish bit there. And I'm going to put her in there. You will get a little bit of water inside the head, so it is worth making sure you let the head dry thoroughly, or use a hairdryer or something to dry the inside of the head out. But I need to get the head underwater, otherwise it's not going to work. And what I'm doing here is I'm just going to leave her long enough so that her vinyl head softens and goes quite squishy. Get in there. She's almost squishy enough. Be very careful when you're doing this. Preferably have a grown-up help you. So, in fact, yeah, you should do this with an adult, because otherwise you're going to burn. You can heat up the vinyl head with a hairdryer, but the same again, you've got to be careful you don't burn your fingers. Okay, so let's have a look. Now, if you look, I can already see that the head is more of a normal shape. It's not perfect, but it's a lot better than it was. And what you do is you take her out the hot water a sec. And just be careful, because the vinyl head will feel hot for a sec. Can you see how she's really squishy now? Like brats' heads are normally rock hard, but just a few seconds in the hot water has made her really squishy. And this allows the vinyl to reform. So as you can see now, the whole of her neck, the neck hole doesn't look like it's all smushed to one side, and her face is nice and rounded again, instead of being rounded here and flat there. And that's it. That's how to fix a doll that's got a deformed head. As you can see, the hot water doesn't damage the vinyl either. It doesn't damage the face paint or anything. Her hair, let's have a look. Her hair will probably respond well to a boil wash, because it looks like it'll smooth that out nicely without it shrinking or anything. So yeah, that's how to fix a doll with a deformed head where she's been squashed in a box or something. This works really well with Bratz dolls. I've only ever done this on Bratz dolls, but it should work on all dolls with fairly firm vinyl heads. Barbies, I think it works on Barbies as well. I'm sure I've done it on a Barbie in the past. So yeah, hope you enjoyed this little quick tip. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.